Yeah, this video is about the cyanobacteria again, but we see one typical division of labor within the cytoplasm of cyanobacteria. Maybe this is a precursor for compartmentalization in the form of cell organelle in the future eukaryotic plant cell, but within that one cell, within the cytoplasm of that one cell, I see that there is a space-wise distribution where we see photosynthesis is occurring, where we see photosynthesis is not occurring, the rest of the cytoplasmic activities are occurring. So this is a kind of primitive division of labor which is very interesting, which is a significance in the one cytoplasm of cyanobacteria. So I have a picture to show you the same. As the point says, the cytoplasm of cyanobacteria has differentiation of chromoPlasm and centroplasm. The word chromo always means a color, a pigment. Color or pigment. Chromoplasm means cytoplasm which has pigments. And this is towards the periphery, not at the center. The peripherally placed pigment concentrated cytoplasm is chromoPlasm. Then centroplasm, as the name says, centrally placed. Plasm means cytoplasm here. Cytoplasm. So I have a picture to show you the same. So a nice picture. I have a cell wall, outer membrane, a cell wall, 4-layered cell wall we just studied in my previous video. And then I see the plasma membrane. So orange color one is entirely cell wall and this is only 4-layered. And after the cell wall I see cell membrane, the plasma membrane. Then I have typically bright green color 4 layers, if you see. And I don't see a trace or a tinge of this green at the center, which is blue in color. You see green and blue, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. The color itself shows that. These are called as thylakoid membranes. Okay, so you study thylakoid membranes in chloroplast. I don't have chloroplast because cyanobacteria is a prokaryote. I am reading it in under eubacteria. But this may be the precursor of chloroplast where I see the pigments arranged in membranes, which we call it as thylakoid membranes, but not chloroplast. Only I see the light reaction happening here. Don't I see division of labor space-wise? Peripherally, I have the pigment responsible for the photosynthesis. So, I call it as chromoplasm. At the center, we can see bacterial DNA. Okay. And carboxysomes. Here is where the other metabolism of the bacteria occurs. So, if when I see the cyanobacteria cell, I typically see there is a division of pigments to the periphery which are active in photosynthesis, and at the center I have centroplasm where there is no chlorophyll present at the center. Other metabolic activities is active. So this is a kind of division of labor or a precursor or a curtain riser for compartmentalization into cell organelles. My point is, what is thylakoid membrane, which is peripheral here, has become chloroplast in a plant cell because chlorophyll is very much like higher plants. This is the division of the cytoplasm space-wise performing different functions in cyanobacteria.